Good morning. We are on our way to Animal Kingdom of our first park of our fall break trip. And on we'll go.
October 2021 is Disney World's 50th birthday. In celebration of that, they have 50 characters represented by gold statues all around 4 parks. The ones at Animal Kingdom were Simba, Timon and Pumbaa, Bambi and Thumper, and Nemo and Dory.
Alright, so we've made it into Animal Kingdom and we are walking.
And everybody else in this entire park went to Avatar.
And now we are walking
going
to Everest. So we're gonna go try to ride Everest as many times as we can because where's Skylar go? Skylar
wants to go 6 times in a row.
Wants to go 6 times in a row. So we're gonna see if we can do that. Alright, so the 6 times is a little not gonna happen, but we did ride it 3 times. So now we're headed to Africa to ride the safari ride. So now we are on our way to breakfast at Rainforest Cafe. This will be our first time eating at the Rainforest Cafe in Animal Kingdom. So we will see how good it is. Our breakfast was very yummy, don't you think? Do you think our breakfast was good?
Recommended. Animal Kingdom.
Very recommended.
Right. And then repeat after me, say the wilderness.
The wilderness
Must be explored.
must be explored.
Perfect. Then we're gonna put our hands out like this. Flip them over. Cross them. Flap those pretty wings and go, go, go. And then a big roar. Perfect.
Alrighty, so now we are leaving Dino Land. We got some goodies, new stuffed animals from the little games in Dino Land, and I highly recommend playing those. Alright, so now we are headed to watch kite tails. So right now we are walking around and we are filling out our Wilderness Explorer badges, and now we're about to head to Mickey's Planet Watch.
We just went on the Disney train to the Animal Kingdom Petting Lodge Zoo, and I drew the absolute best shark. I don't really know his name, Bruiser or something? Bruce. And now we are coming back to Harambe, and Summer is going to do the Harambe dance for us at 3:30.
Are you gonna do the dance? So we just got done eating at Yak and Yeti and it was very yummy. Me and Skylar shared the honey chicken. Mom got the coconut shrimp, and then we got the wonton dessert and as well as chocolate pudding cake. It was very yummy. And now we're on our way to do It's Tough to Be a Bug.
Nope.
Okay, so cut for the clip of Skylar's last experience of It's Tough to Be a Bug.
I am not willing to do this. Forced. Being forced.
Supposedly, She did not have a very good experience with It's Tough to Be a Bug. Can you explain that for us?
It was terrible.
Give us more details than that.
Worst thing in lifetime. I can't.
We are in line. We have forced Miss Ma'am to do it. We're ready. We're prepared.
As a courtesy to our bus pass, we kindly ask whether you know about photography or video.
All right, Skylar.
Boo. No, nuh-uh.
It was good. Great decision. We just rode Avatar Flight of Passage, and now we are on our way back to our resort. And tomorrow we are headed to Epcot.